and it's done. So there we go. We just hit our target and we got in this trade around 1000 rupees. I just drawn the trend Bitcoin going to be reacting, and I thought it's going upside. I've taken a positive side trade and it was a stop loss. Then I finally decided when the Bitcoin has broken that blue line, and then I finally decided to go downside and I have taken a trade. In this trade I have taken up one Bitcoin, and as you can see it's going into my direction, and I have kept the stop loss and my target as well. It was going pretty well in my direction. As you can see, I was in a profit, but later on I got to know it's reversing and it is going towards my stop loss. So very soon it is going to hit my stop loss, and I guess I have to close this trade. So my trade has been closed, and there we go. I have taken another trade because my view was downside only, because it was a simple pullback and I was not given a proper breathing space for my trade. That's why my first stop loss got hit, and then finally this trade I was pretty sure this will go into my direction. As you can see, my stop loss and my take target was already fixed. I mean, my take profit is before the swing. I mean, it is definitely going to go downside, so I was pretty sure about it. But it is taking a lot of time because market was not ready to go in my direction. So finally it decided to go in my direction, and there we go. We can see some profit, $300+ running. This time I was pretty sure it will hit my target. So but one of the reason I did not, actually I'm giving a voiceover to this because I was busy with some other task, but I have taken this trade and I was pretty sure. Then I recorded it, but now I'm giving a voiceover. So overall my prediction was correct. It should go in my direction, but as you can see it is taking a pullback, and I have kept up stop loss, but it was very near to my stop loss, but it didn't hit, and I was busy with other work, as you can see. So I did not give a voiceover at that time. Now I'm giving this, but eventually trade has started going in my direction again. It's giving a pullback downside. फाइनली बिटकॉइन ने सुन ली मेरी और ट्रेड निकल पड़ा मेरे डायरेक्शन में. एज यू कैन सी आई वाज अबाउट टू हिट माय टारगेट. इट्स वेरी नियर टू माय टारगेट. माय टारगेट इज समथिंग लाइक $1000+ एंड आई ऑलरेडी केप्ट माय टेक प्रॉफिट. And there we go. It's about to hit the take profit, and it's done. So there we go. We just hit our target and we got in this trade around 1000 rupees. We took a small stop loss around 183 points and we got 1000 rupees in this trade. As you can see, view was pretty clear. If I see bigger time frame, market is in going into the downtrend, and if I see day wise also, market is completely going downside. There was a definitely possibility of retracement. That's why I have taken a sell trade. And as you can see, market might go till 84,000 most probably, because this is a 618 zone. ये ट्रम्प की रैली है. जहाँ से ट्रम्प की रैली आई थी वहाँ से रिटर्न ये रिट्रेसमेंट है. 0.618 जोन का ये लेवल है 84,000, एंड मोस्ट प्रोबेबली इट माइट कम टिल 81,000, एंड विल सी आफ्टर दैट इट विल गो डाउन और इट विल रिवर्ट बैक फ्रॉम हियर. एंड इसके बाद अगर ये रिवर्ट हो रहा है अपसाइड पे, तो देयर इज नो कमिंग बैक. ये इसको ब्रेक करके ऊपर ही रहेगा मोस्ट प्रोबेबली, बट अभी फिलहाल के लिए तो डाउन ट्रेंड है जो हमने अभी ट्रेड लिया. सो एज यू कैन सी वी मेड अराउंड 1000 rupees in this trade. This is our small stop loss, and this is our big target. So there we go guys, we just hit our first target, $1000. ये एक्सनेस का प्लेटफॉर्म है. इसका लिंक मैं नीचे दे दूंगा. आप इसमें अकाउंट ओपन कर सकते हो. ये कम्प्लीटली फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है और इसमें ब्रोकरेज भी सबसे कम रहता है. सो मेक श्योर टू ओपन योर अकाउंट इन दिस एक्सनेस, एंड आई विल लीव अ लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. एंड होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो. आई विल सी यू इन टुमारो. बाय बाय.